Solve the following system of equations graphically. 4x minus 5y plus 16 equals 0 and 2x plus y minus 6 equals 0. First we take first equation. First equation is 4x minus 5y plus 16 equals 0. We find the value of y in terms of x or the value of x in terms of y. Suppose we find the value of y in terms of x, then 4x plus 16 shifts y to RHS 5y, then y equal 4x plus 16 by 5. Now we put the value of x in this equation such that the numerator is completely divisible by 5. Means firstly we put x equal minus 4. If we put x equal minus 4, then y equal 4 into minus 4 plus 16 by 5, then minus 16 plus 16 by 5, and value of y is 0. Second value, put x equal, value of x is such that numerator is completely divisible by 5. Then put x equal 1. We have y equal 4 into 1 plus 16 by 5, then 20 by 5. The value of y is 4. Or third value, put x equal x equals 6. We have y equal 4 into 6 plus 16 by 5, then 24 plus 16 by 5, and value of y is 40 by 5. Y is 8. Means we get the point. Points minus 4 comma 0. When x equal minus 4, the value of y is 0. 1 comma 4 and 6 comma 8. Means represent x and y. When x equal minus 4, value of y is 0. When x equal 1, value of y is 4. When x equals 6, value of y is 8. Now take another equation, 2x plus y minus 6 equals 0. We have 2x plus y minus 6 equals 0. Find y in terms of x or x in terms of y. Suppose we have y equal minus 2x plus 6. Now put x equal x equal 0. We have y equal minus 2 into 0 plus 6, then value of y is 6. Put x equal 1. We have y equal value of y is 4. Put x equal 2, we have y equal minus 2 into 2 plus 6, 6 minus 4 means 2. We get the points 0, 6 when x equals 0, y equals 6, 1, 4 and 2, 2 means when the value of y is x is 0, value of y is 6, x is 1, value of y is 4 and x is 2, value of y is 2. Now represent these points on graph paper. From second line we have 0, 6. 0, 6 means value of x is 0 and value of y is 6. 0, 6 lie here. Let it is 0, 6. You have to locate this point on graph paper. 1, 4, value of x is 1 and y is 2 means 1, 4. We have this point, that it is 1, 4. 1, 4 and 2, 2. 2, 2. No, it is 2, 2. Then first line is this line. It is 2, 2. Then first line is this line. You have to make this, locate this point on graph paper. Now from it is our first equation means 2x plus y minus 6 equals 0. It is first equation. Second equation 4x minus 5y plus 16. The points are minus 4, 0, 1, 4 and 6, 8. Minus 4, 0. Negative direction on y-axis. X equal minus 4 means it is minus 4, 0. 1, 4. 1, 4 is this point. And 6, 8. The value of x is 6 and the value of y is 8 means it is this point. It is 6, 8. Now join this line. We have and it is our second equation. 4x minus 5y plus 16 equals 0. If we have, since the intersection of these two lines is 1, 4, if we have to find the intersection point, then we simply solve these two equations by any method, elimination or substitution or cross multiplication. And if we draw this diagram on graph paper, we simply find this point where these lines intersect each other. Then these two lines then given equation has a unique solution. Unique solution is intersection of both these lines, means unique solution is x equal 1 and y equal 4, and these two equations form a consistent system. Because on solving these two equations, at least one solution is possible. Therefore, these two equations form a consistent system.